good day. These sample videos about the ecosystem simulation with genetic algorithm API. So when the game is done, the user need to setting up three setting, which is the population setting, attribute controller, resource setting. So for max population, max population is mean the maximum population of the animals, which is deer and the wolf in the games. So it's determine the maximum of them. Both are a total amount of them. So deer initial population is when the game start, when the simulation start, which how many deer and wolf is spawned in the map. So let's set to 20 and 10. So attribute controller is depends on the it determines how's the animal's age, hunger. This attribute is decreased, how frequently, how the update rate, based on every frame. So let's say there are all 50, and reproductive urge is used to reproduce a baby for the animal. So let's set to 0.5. Mutation chance is the genes of the mutations, the chance of the mutation for the animal genes. So when the animal is mutated, you can see that is changing the material color. So let's set to 1. And food gather rate and resource setting is about the resource gather rate for the animal. Food gather rate is used for the deer. We can set to 10, which every time the deer eats a mushroom, if you gain 10 for the recover the hunger status. Same with the water. And animal gather rate is used by the wolf, which is gather the deer as food time. So if you more than a normal food gather rate. So let's set to 20. So regather time is for the wolf to regather the to eat cooldown time for the wolf to eat the deer, so that the deer will not extend so fast. So let's start the simulation. So when the simulation start, the user can use the mouse right click to rotate the camera, and also WASD to move the camera. So this is the mushroom, the food time for the deer. So inside the scene, player can see the higher population in the history, and the current populations, and also the how many reproduce count, how many baby is born. So player can skew the time skew. They got a skew bar here, so that we can skew the time. Let's move it faster. So okay. So the time skew will not actually post the whole game, but it will set to 0.1 at the minimum. So we can now see the status of the animal. So this is a deer, which is searching for the milk time, which is a milk gentleman. Then he was searching for the food, which is the mushroom. And then there's the hunger, thirst, and horniness is the reproduce urge for the animal. So this is a wolf searching for the water. So water, there was placing a bunch of loot in the lake. Yeah, in here, and if they have found it, they will go to near to the lake and drink the water. So inside the game, you can press the spacebar to open the setting menu again, to resetting the whole thing and start again or quit. And when you press again the spacebar, it will back to the game. So current population is 26 and reproduce count is 2. So let's move it faster again. Yeah, so So let's see for that. So this baby is mutated from the parents as we setting to the mutation chance to 1, which is 100% mutate. So we can see that the deer's material color is changed from the normal deer. Okay. That's okay. That's all for the presentations. Thank you.